Hey guys, this is Android Andrew, and today we'll be talking about some of the best security apps for Android. First app on the list is Clueful. This app was made by a company called Bitdefender. Bitdefender also has two other apps to help defend your device against malware. Before we check out Clueful, let's check out one of their other apps called Bitdefender Mobile Security. This app is very fully featured, but it's only free for 14 days. After that you have to pay a fee. But the app does have some great features however. The malware scanner, which scans your device for viruses, privacy advisor to let you know which apps can be harmful to your device. It also has web security and a feature to lock specific apps. It also has an anti-theft feature. This might be the most helpful out of all of these features. The main app we want to look at right now is Clueful. Clueful shows you what each app requests to view on your phone and breaks it down into three categories: high risk, moderate risk, and low risk. Something that makes an app high risk is when it leaks your email address. But if an app does do something like share your email address, it shows you exactly where it shares it to. The app has a very easy to use interface and it's very easy to understand. The app also gives you a privacy score out of 100. Even just one high risk app could affect this. This app is great to have so you can see what the different apps request from you. This app is great from protecting against dangerous software. But what about protecting from people who want to get into specific apps? Lockdown Pro allows you to lock a specific app with a predetermined password. This password doesn't have to be just in the form of a string of letters or a string of numbers. It can be a pattern or even in the form of a calculator. The app is very easy to set up and easy to use. But there are a lot of apps like this, but this one made my list because of the extra features it has. There's a feature called Fake Cover. You try to open an app with this enabled, it will come up with a pop-up saying Google Play has stopped. With this enabled, most people won't even try to enter the app again, since they would think it's not working because of the Google Play services. To enter the app, all you have to do is hold down the OK button for a longer period of time, and then it will allow you to enter the code. Another feature that was interested in this app is Smart Lock. Smart Lock was bought to Android in Android Lollipop, and this is one of the best security features on Android. In Smart Lock you have three features: trusted devices, trusted Wi-Fi, and trusted location. Trusted devices, you won't have to put in the pattern or pin when you have a certain Bluetooth device paired to the device. Trusted Wi-Fi, you won't have to put in the button or pin if you're connected to a certain Wi-Fi network. And in trusted location, it's the same thing, just if you're in a certain location. Trusted Wi-Fi is a very interesting feature to me, since Smart Lock doesn't have this feature built in. This app is great for blocking people from specific apps, but what about if your phone gets stolen? Cerberus Anti-Theft solved this problem. Cerberus, you get a 7 days free trial and then you have to pay a one-time fee. One unique feature about Cerberus is you can hide it from the app drawer, and the only way you'll be able to access it is by entering a code in your phone's dialer. Using Cerberus, if your phone goes missing, you can easily find it on the desktop app, and if the person enters the passcode wrong too many times, it will take a picture of their face using the front-facing camera. You can also set specific rules, like if the person enters the passcode wrong so many times, what the phone does after that. Using the app, you can create a wide variety of rules and you can be sure that your device will be well protected. But to use Cerberus, you have to pay a fee. But even though it might be one time only, just in case you might want something completely free, there's an app called Android Device Manager. This app was developed and made by Google and it still works very good today. As soon as you open the app begins to locate your device on a map, so you can easily figure out where your device is. If you just misplaced it somewhere in the house, you can tap the button called ring and it will ring your missing Android device, even if the device is on silent. You can also remotely lock your Android device. All you have to do is make up your password, verify it, and then if you want, you can type an optional message to show up on the screen. The last button is erase, and this will completely wipe your missing device. This is one of the best apps to find your missing Android device. But Android has good security features built in. These might not help you locate your device if it goes missing, but it will help you keep your device secure. Go into security and you can see 4 ways to lock your Android device screen. You can also encrypt your Android device, choose to make your passcode visible. There's also a feature called screen pinning. This locks a specific app on the screen. The only way to unpin is by holding down the back and multitasking button at the same time. One of the best security features, which is a new feature in Lollipop, is Smart Lock. Trusted Faces is the same as Face Unlock, that was there before in older versions. But the two new features are Trusted Devices and Trusted Location. Trusted Devices allow you to set a Bluetooth device, and when this device is paired to your Android device, the passcode will not pop up. And if you set a trusted location, when your phone is in that location, you won't have to enter the PIN or password either. Smart locks make having a password very convenient, since when you're at home, you won't have to bother entering your password anymore. And if after all that you still don't feel secure, you should know you can see everywhere your Android device has been by going to maps.google.com/location history. Here you'll be able to see everywhere your device has been. There's a calendar view so you can see previous days. Just by looking at this you can see everywhere your device has been and where it currently is. So thanks for watching and I hope you feel safer using your device. Thumbs up if you like this video and leave a comment about what you'd like to see in the next one. Subscribe to see more.